All right, so this is the whole sort of intro verse piece where she starts singing all the way through, I think, the chorus. So let's just take a look at this a little piece at a time here. I'll try to do my best to explain it to you in a beginner-friendly fashion. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell so that I can keep making these videos for you all. So I've got a capo on 3, and I'm going to start with a C shape. So index finger is first fret of B, middle finger second fret of D, ring finger third fret of A. And we're kind of emulating a keyboard here. So, or I guess a Rhodes. So what you're going to do is set your index finger on the G, middle finger on the B, and ring finger on the high E. And those are always going to pluck those 3 strings. And then your thumb is going to pluck the A. So you start with the higher 3 strings. And you just get kind of a galloping rhythm like that. This is probably the hardest chord in the mix. So you're going to add your pinky here on the 4th fret of the G, and you're going to do the same plucking pattern. Then you're going to slide your pinky down to 3rd fret. So now you have a C7 chord shape. So that's the little riff there. So all I did was hop my pinky down to 3rd fret of the B. Now I'm going to go to an F major 7. I like F major 7 because it's a little easier for beginners. Index finger still living on that 1st fret of the B, middle finger 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret of the D. So now thumb's going to pluck D. You're still assigned to those strings with your index, middle, and ring finger. Then I go to a G and just strum. So the way I play G, middle finger 3rd fret of low E. See if you can kind of mute out the A with the bottom of your middle finger. And then I set ring finger down, 3rd fret of B, pinky 3rd fret of high E. And I just do a strum across. So you're going. All right, so let's play all that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes through a second time. All right. Now we're going to get into a very basic strum pattern. So if you have a pick, you could grab one, or I was just using my fingernail. So you're on the C chord and you're doing a very basic down, 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 down. All right. It's a swing rhythm. It's in 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, 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 down. All right. So you're going to start on the C, and we're going to walk down from C to C over B to A minor to F minor. So we're going to start on C. All right. So with F minor, you need to bar a little bit. So you got to bar across that first fret of the high E through G, and then you set your ring finger down on 3rd fret of the D. That gives you a F minor shape. So in case you didn't know those chords, the C I already explained, but again, the C over B, you just hop your middle finger up to 2nd fret of A. And then A minor, you hop middle finger back down to 2nd fret of D, where it was for the C chord, and then add your ring finger on 2nd fret of G. And then F minor. All right. Oh, and then followed by G. Okay, so once you hit that F minor, you go to G. Now we're getting into, I guess you could call it the pre-chorus chorus, the hook. So you're going to go D minor. So this is the first chord. Again, we're still sticking to the strum pattern. Index finger, 1st fret of high E, middle finger, 2nd fret of G, ring finger, 3rd fret of B. Let me go to G. Let me go to C. A minor. I'm going to go to D minor again, G, to C, to C7. Now we go to F major 7, to G. Now we got a little quicker walk down here. We go C, C over B, A minor, then D minor, G. And then that sets us up for the next piece of the song. So the next piece of the song consists of just all the parts I've shown you, but I believe it only goes one time through this piece. Then it goes right into the strum pattern that we were doing. So at this point, you should be able to just listen to the song and play all the parts. So if this lesson was helpful for you, please go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will catch you on the next video.